Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking through this little inventory model that I built, and I'm going to be giving away to free to anyone that sort of wants to pick it up. Basically, the model is a FIFO model, so we're picking up what our cumulative cost base or our incremental cost base is per the items as we sell them on a FIFO basis. The way I've done this is I've set up a little formula here to calculate what our cumulative cost base is over time. So as we sell items, we calculate what that cumulative cost base is as we sell them, and then we pick up our incremental cost base. So this is really useful for anyone building inventory models or have to build cost of goods sold in their models or whatnot. Very simple and very easy way to pick up on a FIFO basis. Give you a quick demonstration how it's working. So I've set up a little series of data up here, which has when we're purchasing units and when we're selling units, and we've got our price data here. So basically then what we're calculating down here is we're going to go, okay, we've picked up 3 units at $50, we've picked up 2 units at $54, and we picked up a further 2 units at $58, and then we're selling 2 units down here at, so we're going to calculate what our cost base is, what we're selling the units at. So if we jump in here, I'm going to expect that $100 is going to be made up of 50 being the first batch that we purchased, times 2, so we've got 100. Now the second one, we've got 1 left in this batch of our $50, and we've got 1 left in our, or we've got 2, but we're going to take 1 out of our second batch of this $54, and so on and so forth. So when we get here, again, we're going to have 54 as one of the items, and we're going to have 58 as the second, being that's what's left in the batch. What's left is the cumulative units. So we've got 112, 104, and $100, and we can even, so down here I've got our prices. So this is obviously in a growing model. What if we drop our price here by 2% over year? It's going to pick it up on the FIFO basis. So as our price is dropping, as we're selling more, we're going to hit that that price drop further out in the model. If you'd like to pick this model up today, please feel free to reach out and I'll send it to you in the Excel file.